Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in Bing's ad, and that is how to create a app installation campaign in the Bing Ads account. So today I will let you know how to do it from scratch in the Bing Ads account. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to create an app installation campaign in Bing Ads account. So today we'll let you know how to do it. So let's start. First of all, for creating a new campaign, as you know, we need to click on the create button, which is in the top, and also this button is also given in the campaigns level as well. So I will click on the create button. Once I click on it, it will redirect me to the goals section where we can decide which goal we want to from which goal we want to promote our campaign. So I will choose promote apps one because there are different number of, you can say, goals here: drive conversion to your website, generate leads, build brand awareness, sell products through shopping ads, skip and promote apps. So I will use promote apps because today our topic is how we can create a app installation campaign. Okay, and then they will give us the option like which installation type we want to choose. So I will choose the app install ads because I want people directly go to the Play Store and then they will install our app from there. Okay, and then I will just need to click on the continue button. Once I click on it, then it will give us the option of creating the name. I will name it apps Instagram, like I am creating a test campaign, so I will name it test Instagram and today's date. So this format I will use every time when I create a new campaign, and the reason behind that, it will give us the objective, what kind of website or things we are running, and the third one is on which date we have created the campaign. So you can name it as your own opinion. I have named it as my. Okay, and then you just need to set the daily budget. I will set it 10 USD per day, and then you just need to choose the location. I will choose Canada and United States, and after that, who will see your ads? Now I will choose people in searching for viewing web page or about your targeted location, or people in your targeted location. So I will always choose people in your targeting location because, as you know, we want to show our ads that are in our targeting location. If somebody wants to buy a car, that car we are selling in Canada, but the people who want to you can say buy the car from Australia, so we don't manage that. That's why I will always choose people in our target location, so that people who are in our location, like people who are want to buy a car in Canada location, will only see our ads, not Australia one. Because if I use the second one, Australian people will also see our ads. If they put by mistake our keywords, then it will always you can say waste our budget. So I will choose people in our target location. Then you can choose the language, as I will choose English right now. And after that, you just need to go to, you don't need to show the option, you just need to click on the save and go to the next step. And here you need to enter the website, because when you create an app, when you have an app, you definitely have a website as well. So I will put Instagram here right now because I am running a test campaign. So I will you can say add Instagram here, and after that you can also choose keywords as well. It will give you the keyword ideas as well. As I will, you can say, choose this keyword Insta story. It's a test campaign, so I will choose this, but you can choose the keywords, targeted keywords, which you want to show when somebody searches and will see your apps. Okay, so always choose keyword wisely. As I'm creating a test campaign for the Instagram, so I will choose Insta kind of options. Okay, and then you just need to click on the save and go to the next step options, and here they will give you the option to create an ad. You just need to click on the create button, because now is the time we need to set the ads, how the ad will be visible to your visitors. So make it more aggressively showing, so that it will you can connect with the visitor mind, and they will able to know that you want us to click on the ad and install our app. And here we need to add our, you can say, headlines, add title, add tags. Add title will be only in 25 characters because we can't use more than that, because Bing ads only give us that option. We need to add the title in 25 characters. Let me make a test ad title like install the Instagram app. So yeah, I have choose only 25 characters headline. You can choose at your own convenience. Like if you want to add some eye-catching ad title, you can add it here so that people will see it and attract with the same, and then easily click on the download from store button. After that, you need to add a 70 at least 71 character add text, which I have already copied. So I will choose this one and add it here. So you can choose the add title and add text as per your opinion because you know your app very well. So you can choose it wisely because these are the main context which will showcase to the visitor, and you need to make sure that it will be showing in a good way so that they will attract with our ad and download our app from the app store, or you can say Google Play Store. Now you need to choose the app. The main part is coming here. As you can see, click on the Google Play Store. If you want to run the ads for Apple App Store, you can choose it from here. And if you are using Google Play Store, so you need to choose Google Play Store here. And then you just need to add your app name. As I'm choosing Instagram, so I will put Instagram here. And as you can see, our ad option is here right now. And then you can see our ad is showing here. So now you just need to click on the save button, and once you click on the save button, your ads will be saved here. And after that, there are two things which you can do. Like you can add extensions. As I don't want to use any extension here, so I will just click on the save and go to the next step button, and then it will showcase all the things here, like what kind of budget, targeting strategy you have choose. Uh, as in the starting, I will always choose maximize clicks because I need more and more traffic. That's why I choose my maximize clicks. But you can choose from these strategies. There are a lot of strategies here. You can choose it from here. Okay, and after that, you just need to click on the save button. And once you click on it, your campaign will be published. And campaign is created as they have like telling us the campaign is created and it is going in the learning stage. So this is, as you can see, this is our app installation campaign, and you can see all the result here. So I think now you are able to create a app install campaign in Bing Ads accounts. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video.